In this quick video guide, we're going to talk a website that will give you the possibility to download 3D models, pretty realistic 3D models of people, so meshes representing people, male, female, and other types. So let's start. Let's get into the website. So the website, it's called Renderpeople. So we can access this website just by searching Renderpeople in Google, and that's gonna be the first one. Okay, so here we can find a lot of models. Most of them are not for free, you need to buy them, and they have many different products for type, gender, age, ethnicity, clothing, and so on. So you can give it a look yourself. In this video, we're going to check the free models right here. So you can see that you can use these models in many different applications, the most important applications, so 3ds Max and Maya, Cinema 4D, SketchUp, Unreal, Unity, Blender, Rhinoceros, and Photoshop. Now in this video I'm going to use the Blender application because it's free, it's open source, you can do it yourself. If you don't have Blender, just go in blender.org, download and install. It's pretty easy. If you don't know how to do it, if you feel that you need some help, just go in the YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel JB Design Tube, and search for install Blender, and there you go. So you can find the video guide that will explain to you how to do that from step by step, from start to finish. And also you can search for other website where you can download 3D models. So just type here 3D models and you will find many other video guides. So please use our YouTube channel to check other guides about this topic or similar topic if you are interested. So let's once you have downloaded and installed Blender, we can get a 3D model from here and just check it. So if you click on free models, this is the free download page. Probably in the future they will change these models or add other models, we don't know, but this is the offer at the moment. And we will select this one here, as you saw in the beginning of the video. But you can also find rigged people to use with animation, like motion capture, or if you want to animate manually the bones here in the skeleton. Or also you will find ready 3D animated people right there, so you can use them, download them, use them, pretty easy. So if you click here, you can see again the various versions that you can download this stuff. So in our case, we will click on the first one here and select Blender. So click here, and this will download the 3D model in your download folder. So let me show you how it will look like. Just getting into the download folder here. Okay, now it's gonna look like that. This means that this is a zipped folder, or so you need to extract this. This is like a package that you need to extract, otherwise you won't see the texture. So you can open a model from here as well, just double click, for example, once you have downloaded the zip file. But I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen if you don't extract it and if you don't keep the texture together. There you go. So you have the model here. Let me make it smaller. Okay, so you have the model, but you won't see the textures because the textures are zipped, and so the software will not be able to see them. So as you can see, you don't need to do anything in Blender. You just can use Blender to open up files, or maybe you can then export these for another software that you are using. Just go to File, Export. You can also import FBX, and because on the website here you can find this animated or rigged only in FBX. So if you download this in FBX, you can still be able to use it in Blender. Otherwise, you see here, you don't have Blender format. Okay, so we can close this. Now, if you extract it, then you can use it as you are seeing here. So you just double click and it's gonna look like this, because now you can see the textures, because here are the extracted texture and the different resolution, so you can change them if you want more resolution. And also you can change the model to have more polygons and to have more quality. This is 60,000 polygons right here, this one 60k, and this other one is 200k, so this is heavier. And also you can check the size here. So many times when you download 3D models from the web, you will find different resolution for the texture and for the model. You can choose the one that you like the most, but just remember that more polygons you have, more heavy it will be, and also for your software and your computer to handle that model. Especially if you want to create a complex scene here, for example, I don't know, an architecture with a room and furniture and things like that. The more things you're gonna get inside, the heavier it's gonna be, and maybe you're gonna be stuck here. You cannot move more, in the viewport there anymore. Okay, so just double click, open up the scene, and there you go, the job is done. Now if you want to check the model, this is the panel here where you want to see the mesh or where you want to see the material. This is right here, the material with all the texture here. Then maybe you can change and assign other textures if you want. And well, this is basically it for this lesson, for this video guide. Now please subscribe to our channel. If you want to support us, join, and also check these other links at the top here to support us with different referral links, and you also get rewarded. Also you can support us with the store information page, about page, sorry, in the bottom. Or also please check our other video courses here in the playlist. Top of the page you will find English video courses. For example, you will find video course in Matbox to create 3D characters with the 3D modeling and 3D sculpting. And also you can check the 3D Studio Max video course, Cinema 4D, and also V-Ray for Maya, for Unreal, and for SketchUp. And also Armor Paint, it's a really nice tool to create customized materials and textures. So you can take the textures that you have downloaded, you can personalize, you can customize those textures here using Armor Paint. And again, you just give a look to our video courses here, and also down below at the bottom you will find English video guides about other topics. And in the video page, of course, you're gonna find all the latest video that we published. So please support us, join us, and we will make more videos and more video courses. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.